How you guys doing? I'm Andy with My Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And basically, before I get into what we traded today, I'd like to start with this. First of all, I'm not calling any of you morons. I'm calling myself a moron in this scenario. But these stocks would like nothing more than for some moron, me, to put on a static position at the top while they're wiggling the worm, while they're spiking up, while they're looking great. Every single day, day after day, we see the same exact thing. Most of these stocks do not continue on. And when we do get hot times like we've seen, which I've profited greatly, 22% positive on the month as of right now today. Most likely going to be closing with my only red day of the month right now. And that's kind of sad for me, but that's my fault. I decided to pick up little tiny bags along the way.
Yeah, he's been a little bag holder for a little bit.
I've been packing little bags, and the little bags are adding up. And now it's to the point of what was I thinking, you know? And that's just the whole point. By packing these bags, I'm learning something that I've already learned before, and that's that they love for, you know, whoever is on the other side of these trades, they love it when we give them their money. So they love it when we're not smart and we're foolish, and we put on a static position up at the top. Mm-hmm. They pull against you, and well, you don't got no more money to fight in your account because you wanted to go big. I'm not saying you, I'm saying anybody. You know, or whatever it might be. You know, you didn't assess the max risk. You did not figure out what was the best place to put in your actual trade, you know. Mm-hmm. Instead, you just take the whole account or all your capital and slap it in right there at the top when it looks like it's, oh my, this thing's going to go to, you know, from $2 to $7. I got to get in. It's about to break resistance. Next thing you know, as soon as you touch it, crickets, man. Dead. Volume dies. Stock is now just pulled back and sitting there, and you're like, oh, well, it's probably going to keep going up. It's like, no, we got to know who's taking the other side of these trades. We have to keep in mind, there is somebody taking the other side of our trades no matter what. And who is it? And how much money do they have? Well, I'm assuming they have more money than any of us. Probably. In fact, I'm assuming they have more money than all of us combined. And that's if I was to have all the retail traders on this video right now, which I'm not going to have. And, you know, so if they have that kind of capital, that kind of resources, and they would love for us to put on this position, they slap their big stack of cash over top of us, you know, it makes it now foolish for us to trade that way. If I get in at the top like that, you know, I better be willing to either A, cut my loss really quick, or, you know, anyways, manage that position.
Yeah,
have to be able to manage the position. And there's many ways to manage a position. One way I do is I like to grab it with a small position size, hence my bag holding, because I didn't let go of my small positions. I usually do. This month, somehow, some way, maybe this quarantine stuff's got me like depressed or something. So I've been doing things I don't normally do with my account. I'm up 22%. I could be closing the account down at like 11% this month. Yeah. I had a nearly 14% week, and now, because of my foolishness, I might be closing the account less than that 1 week for the whole entire month. That's the one thing I always say, you know, we got to be ready for this. We got to be prepared, got to drink water, you know, do some exercise first, you know, do some research, and just be patient. Just wait for the play to reveal who it really is. Right, patience. It's like going out looking for a significant other, and they're wearing like masks, and they look different than what they really look like. Then, you know, you see them, like, I don't know, maybe it's not about looks, but just they're not nice people. Like, they're putting on a different face, basically. You meet them and they're acting really cool, they're acting like they're great people, and they're not. That's what I mean. And, you know, that's how these stocks are every morning. So if any of that makes sense, what did we trade today?
ATOS. We traded ATOS. They have news. They contract with the New York City Health Hospitals Metropolitan for coronavirus COVID-19 Hope clinical studies. ATOS moved up last week on this news, except just the Hope study.
ATOS, I was in it pre-spike. I tried to get out at the top of the spike. There was no hope for that. It was a big spread. It's just like I told you guys. Yeah. You know, these stocks don't go where you think they go. Where the chart says they are doesn't necessarily mean that they're there. And what I mean by that is there's no way you could get out. Right. Absolutely impossible for you to be able to get out of that position at that level. Right. And today, that's how it was with this one. And I got greedy, and I wanted that number. Because I figured, you know, if it starts wiggling the worm, you know, this is like a pre-runner situation. This just popped up pre-runner. This is not even a runner yet for me. This is what I would consider a pre-runner. But, you know, sometimes pre-runners aren't that. They're Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde, and that's what this was. Yeah. So if I would have had common sense and been thinking about it, I would have just hit the bid and got out with less profit obviously, but more profit than I ended up getting.
Right.
But because I was greedy, I wanted out at the top, I wanted out the highs, I wanted out like ask -1 from the top there. I don't know what it was, 250, 350 something. Anyways,
Yeah.
I don't know what it was, but either way, it just that ended up hurting in the end for me. Not hurting as far as the loss goes, but took away a lot of my profit. I would be closing green for sure today had I have taken that bid instead of waiting and trying to get a higher number around the ask.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta take
Take the bid, take what's there.
Right.
That's what I need to. I need to write that down, stamp it to my forehead, whatever. Glue it to the inside of my eyelids or tattoo it.
Right.
And then we traded DFFN. Wow.
Diffusion Pharmaceuticals announced a pre-IND submission to FDA of design for TSC trials to treat acute respiratory distress syndrome in COVID-19.
Everything today was like this.
Yeah, a lot of...
Everything was wiggling the worm, popped up, I'm up, they see me, I'm down, sort of stuff. ATIF, even worse on that one, YCBD, that was cool. Just a nice little spike, grabbed it and it spiked higher. I mean, that's so rare. When I get into a position that I see is like the pre-runner that I was telling you about, and then when I grab it on its pullback and it just doesn't even pull back any further, doesn't stop, doesn't even try to scare me out, wear me out or nothing, just starts to pull higher, I'm like, nice job, good trade there. I love trades like that. So YCBD, thank you for that. Whoever you are behind the scenes there. DCAR.
Yeah, DCAR. I mean, this looks like an earnings announced the third quarter European market expansion with strategic partner Club Car.
And VISL, no news. There was something with VISL though.
I don't know.
Can't remember what it was.
I don't know, but I know you traded NAKD, which I don't know. That was up pretty high today, wasn't it?
Yeah, NAKD was up like over 150% when I first saw it, or maybe 150% on the pullback. Honestly, this thing had spiked up a lot, and I obviously arrived at the party way too late.
Well, yeah, I don't know if this did anything on Friday, but I know it came out with news on Friday about they had a 9.99% passive stake, so that might be why it's moving today.
Yeah, YCBD. I've had nothing but luck with YCBD actually.
Yeah.
I mean, anytime I got on it, I got in. I got it when Big B called it. He called it on some sort of block trade or something.
Yeah,
that
was like a couple months
insider
ago.
buying. Anyways, so I just grabbed that and just waited it out. Took some nice profit there. This time I grabbed it and not even. I mean, there was no fight at all. It was just here you go, Andy. Take this profit. You're welcome. Have a good day. Fist bump.
Those are nice ones.
And COCP, PECK, WATTIMAC. Some bags that I unpacked today.
Yeah.
I took my positive 0.6% on the account, and I took it down to like a little less than 0.5, 0.4 something right now. And who knows, it could be up higher by the end of the day, it could be down lower by the end of the day. I'm here to clean house today. Actually, I just want to get out today. Just enjoy the weather.
Yeah, it's actually nice today. The last one you traded was MBRX.
And the MBRX came through what? Trader circulated news on that one.
Oh, yeah.
For
Trader
some
circulated
trademark.
News. April 21st dated USPTO trademark status, document retrieval application for companies Glycanex.
Yeah, so I have no idea what's really going on. Some rumor on MBRX, and like they say, trade the rumor, sell the news.
And today was kind of slow.
Yeah, today is definitely slow. It's warm outside, and it feels like people are getting on their boats, and people are just going out and having a good day.
Yeah, something like that, because it's definitely sitting in your house for a couple months gets pretty irritating.
Yeah, that's another thing. A lot of people, probably want out. I want out.
Yeah.
This whole thing with coronavirus, so.
Right, and especially when you have kids, they need to get out, so.
Right, so yeah, and that's another thing. Like, we're gonna go fly a kite at the lake or something, and we got a little boy, and he would really enjoy that. So.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys had a great day, had a great trading day, and have a great day as well. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. We're live in the stream every single day.
Yep.
Benzinga Pro, have the Squawk, and
Yep.
a lot of good stuff there. Find amazing trades with them every single day.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
So, thanks, and we'll see you later.
Yep. Check us out. See you later. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.